Hello and welcome to Group 2's Multimedia Project for EDTC 6321. We hope that you enjoy it. These are our awesome group members. Our group chose to compare and contrast the Kemp and Assure instructional design models. The Kemp model promotes continuous revision throughout all phases of instructional design. It is systematic, non-linear, and elliptical in nature and uses Gagnet's 9 events of instruction. The 9 key elements of instruction are identifying the instructional problem and creating goals, identifying learner characteristics, identifying the subject content, stating instructional objectives for the learner, sequencing content, designing instructional strategies to promote learner mastery of the learning objectives, planning the instructional message and delivery, developing evaluation instruments to assess objectives, and selecting resources to support instruction and learning activities. Formative, summative, and confirmative evaluations, along with revision, reside in the oval model ring. The outer ring speaks to learner environmental factors which impact learning. These include support services, planning, implementation, and project management. The Kemp model is considered complete and thus holistic. In 2008, Baccarat found that the Kemp model allows instructional development to begin at any point of entry, which affords the designer a sense that the design and development process is a cycle that is constantly in motion. By design, the instructional designer can choose to work in any area that they choose, just as the learner can choose where to begin and what their path is through the instructional unit. Methods of formative and summative evaluations are part of most instructional design models, but unique to the Kemp is the method of confirmative evaluation. This occurs after the summative and measures the amount of content that the learner has retained over a set amount of time. This can have an impact on the resource selection. The Assure model is the second instructional design model that we studied. It is composed of 6 steps that are to be completed to design and develop a learning environment for students. It is linear, with an emphasis on the use of technology and lesson planning. It also incorporates Robert Gagnet's 9 events of instruction. Assure is an acronym for its 6 steps: analyzing the learner, stating the objectives, selecting the media and materials, utilizing the media and materials, requiring the learner participation, and evaluating and revising. The Assure and Kemp models of instructional design share the incorporation of Robert Gagnet's 9 events of instruction, and they are both centered around the integration of technology into the classroom. Some ways that they differ are: the Assure model is linear and is geared towards instructors who are comfortable with already integrating the technology into the classroom. In contrast, the Kemp model is nonlinear and holistic. In conclusion, both models are useful to instructional designers, and it comes down to personal choice. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you've learned something.